Namaste and welcome to Weekly Stock Market Digest. I am Chandan and today we will be covering the key developments in the Indian stock market over the past week and looking ahead to the upcoming quarterly results, IPO news and stock splits. If you enjoy our updates, please like this video, share it with your friends and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to click the bell icon so you never miss an update. Now let's get started. First of all, thank you for all the support what I'm receiving from all of you. I'm trying my best to bring you the details that may help you to make better investment decision. So if you have not subscribed yet, I request to subscribe. Please like, share, and put your comment so that we can grow together. In today's video, we'll see what are the next move of this market would be. हम देखेंगे we will see the weekly downfall and up journey for some of the stock कैसा था last week और देखेंगे upcoming result जो अगले हफ्ते होने वाला है और कुछ news. Let's get started. Budget 2024 will be the next biggest market mover next week. Stock market have been expecting Modi 3.0 government to for the first budget to include pro growth and pro consumption measures. So हम देखेंगे कि बजट के ऊपर कौन सा स्टॉक और कौन सा सेक्टर ज़्यादा मूव करता है. Everything will come in the next week. एक वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग हिस्टोरिकल फिगर है जो हर एक बजट के टाइम एक मंथ पहले और बजट के दिन और एक मंथ बाद बजट का कैसा मार्केट ने रिएक्ट किया, निफ्टी कितना रिटर्न दिया वो हम देखेंगे जल्दी से. लेट्स टेक 2020 राइट. 1 मंथ बिफोर बजट का -4.5 डाउन था निफ्टी, बजट के दिन -2.4 और एक महीने बाद 0.40 डाउन. 21 पे काफ़ी अच्छा इम्प्रूवमेंट देखा गया बजट के दौरान और 1.5 अप था बजट से पहले, बजट के दिन 5% अप था निफ्टी रिटर्न और 1 मंथ आफ्टर भी 5.9. 2022 का बात करें तो 1% अप बिफोर 1 मंथ, बजट के दिन 1.5 बट आफ्टर बजट एक मंथ बाद -6.6. 2023 सबड्यूड बजट, बजट डे पे 0.3 अप, एक महीना पहले -2.4, एक मंथ बाद 0.02. अभी करंट सिचुएशन ये है कि 23/07 2024 तक जो अगर बजट डेट देखा जाए एक महीना पहले अभी तक 5% ऑफ है निफ्टी और हम देखेंगे कि बजट के दिन और आफ्टर मंथ क्या होता है. तो ये है पैटर्न बजट के साथ मार्केट का. आप गेस कर सकते हैं कि किस तरफ जा रहा है रुख. जहाँ पे देखेंगे 2018 का डेटा जहाँ पे सिमिलर चीज़ हुआ था. बजट से पहले मार्केट 5.8 6.2 अप था, बजट के दिन मार्जिनली हायर ऑन 2017, मार्जिनली लोअर इन 2018, लेकिन आफ्टर मंथ 2018 में काफ़ी गिरावट देखा गया, 2017 में मजबूत था मार्केट. तो अगर 5 मंथ पहले का देखा जाए तो 2017-18 में काफ़ी इंप्रूव हुआ था मार्केट बजट से पहले. बजट का दिन में उतना ज़्यादा हलचल नहीं देखा गया, लेकिन बजट के बाद ये फिगर आपके सामने है. तो देखेंगे कैसे होता है बजट और उसके साथ साथ सेक्टर. ये कुछ इंटरेस्टिंग डेटा पॉइंट. सेंसेक्स एंड निफ्टी स्केल लाइफ टाइम हाई फॉर 4th डे इन ए रो ऑन थर्सडे 18th of July. Nifty FMCG index breached the record 61,000 mark for the first time in July 18. इसी वीक में आईटी मेजर टीसीएस इन्फोसिस में अपना स्ट्रॉन्ग फिनेंशियल रिजल्ट पेश किया और पॉजिटिव आउटलुक दिया अबाउट द करंट फिस्कल ईयर. हेल्थ टेक्नोलॉजी शेयर रिबाउंड दिस वीक. हम देखेंगे टॉप गेनर टॉप लूजर. इनिशियल रिजल्ट बाय पीएसयू बैंक सच एज बैंक ऑफ महाराष्ट्र इंकरेजिंग था और द लार्जेस्ट लेंडर स्टेट बैंक ऑफ इंडिया आल्सो एडवांस्ड आफ्टर अनाउंसिंग द हाइक इन लेंडिंग रेट्स. तो ये सब चीज़ हुआ दिस वीक. काफ़ी सारा दूसरे बैंक का भी रिजल्ट निकला जैसे कि प्राइवेट बैंक, कोटक महिंद्रा, एचडीएफसी, काफ़ी अच्छा रिजल्ट था. येस बैंक का भी अच्छा था और देखा जाए तो सेंट्रल बैंक एंड करोड़ वैसा सबका रिजल्ट निकला काफ़ी पॉजिटिव था सारे बैंक का. और जब बैंक का रिजल्ट पॉजिटिव होता है मतलब इकोनॉमिकल ग्रोथ का पोटेंशियल ज़्यादा होता है, तो दैट मे बी ए गुड फैक्टर फॉर द मार्केट नेक्स्ट वीक. टेलीकॉम शेयर में बाइंग देखा गया. एफएमसीजी आईटी शेयर में भी अच्छा खासा मोमेंटम था जिसके चलते लाइफ टाइम हाई पे बंद हुआ निफ्टी लास्ट वीक. और यूएस फेडरल शेयर जेरोम पावेल का जो इन्फ्लेशन रेस था वो एक होप दिखा रहा है रेट कट बाय सितंबर. निफ्टी स्केल 24,600 मार्क फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम एंड क्लोज्ड इन 24,613 ऑन लास्ट ट्यूसडे. बुधवार वेडनेसडे मुहर्रम के लिए मार्केट बंद था. फिर सेंसेक्स ने ब्रीच किया 81,000 मार्क फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम. मेरा वीडियो में मैंने मेंशन किया ये जो लैंडमार्क विजिट था. वाइल निफ्टी स्केल टू 24,800 उसी हफ्ते में विद द गेन ऑफ एफएमसीजी ऑयल एंड आईटी शेयर्स. प्रॉफिट टेकिंग ऑफ फ्राइडे को मार्केट थोड़ा गिरावट का मुंह देखा, रीचिंग रिकॉर्ड हाई अहेड ऑफ द प्रेजेंटेशन ऑफ यूनियन बजट ऑफ जुलाई 23 जो होने वाला है नेक्स्ट वीक. निफ्टी एफएमसीजी जो ब्रीच किया 61,000 मार्क, क्या स्पेशल था उसमें देखेंगे. 9 डे रैली था since July 5. FMCG shares were on the rise following the revival in rural demand, positive business update by corporate and government focus on rural development. उसके चलते सारे FMCG सेक्टर काफ़ी अच्छा परफॉर्म किया। एक्टिव मानसून काफ़ी इंडिया में अभी एक्टिव है, और खारिफ शोइंग पैटर्न ऑल्सो बूस्टेड द FMCG शेयर्स। ITC एंड ब्रिटानिया वेयर लीड गेनर अमंग दिस शेयर्स। हम देखेंगे उसका टोटल रिटर्न कितना था वीकली, बट ITC और ब्रिटानिया उस सारे FMCG सेक्टर में सबसे अच्छा परफॉर्म किया। Here are some notable stock movements from this week. देखेंगे कौन सा सेक्टर से कौन सा स्टॉक अच्छा परफॉर्म किया, बुरा परफॉर्म किया लास्ट वीक। पहले स्टार्ट करते हैं फिनेंस, द मोस्ट क्रूशियल सेक्टर। HDFC बैंक, द लार्जेस्ट अमंग ऑल ऑफ द फिनेंस सेक्टर, 0.91% डाउन था इस वीक। इसका वीडियो मैं बना चुका हूँ, इसका क्वार्टरली रिजल्ट भी निकला, और आप जाके देख सकते हैं मेरा सारे वीडियोस। कोटक महिंद्रा बैंक, HDFC, शक्ति पंप, JK सीमेंट, उसके साथ साथ रिलायंस, ओबेरॉय रियलिटी, JSW एनर्जी, तेजास, BPCL, विप्रो, अल्ट्राटेक, इंडियन होटल, ब्लू डार्ट, JSW स्टील, and many other videos for the quarterly result, along with the other stock news. So please go ahead and check all the list of videos from my channel. SBIN, the PSU sector, 3.81 up. ICICI Bank, 1% up. LICI, 4% up last week. Bajaj Finance, marginal down, 0.92. Axis Bank, 0.12. Kotak Bank, after good result, there is an expectation that next week it will perform very well, 1.124 minus, right? And other sector in finance, PFC, that is another PSU, 6% down, and Bank of Baroda 2.5% down. REC Limited बहुत भाग चुका है, 7.58 down. Geo Finance, इसका भी रिजल्ट निकला, 4.44. IRFC marginal down, and Canara Bank 1.6 down. Yes Bank got a good result, but it was down 4.33% last week. And among other major leaders, you have AB Capital little bit down, 5.28. PNB 2.75, HDFC AMC 2.70 down, and etc. Okay, so let's check the technology service stack, that is also having a good market capacity for Nifty 500. TCS 8.10% down, up for last week after excellent result. Infi also followed, 6.72. HCL Tech, and the leader in IT, 4.22 up. Wipro 2.24 up. Tech 1.11. Oracle Finance, that is 5.17% up. Naukri 2.77, and major laggard happened Paytm, that is 4.43. Though it is not clear technology service, a little bit of finance, but yeah. KPIT, that is 5.9% up. Emphasis almost 10% up, and the highest among everyone. Coforge 5.87, good performance, and other sectors mix and match. This sector is full red almost, that is producer manufacturing, basically capital goods and all. Siemens MNC 12.27% down. ABB, another MNC, 9.28 down. Havells 7.90. Masdoc, after a long good run, 10% down. Bosch 4.42. Cummins India 10.79, almost 11. Polycab 4.43. Bharat Forge 4.10. Supreme 3.60. Cochin Shipyard, another defense related stock like Masdoc, both are down 10 to 12%. BHL PSU 11% down. Motherson Sumi 3% down. These are all according to the market cap. That's why you are seeing like this. Schaeffler, Astral, Thermax, they are all down from 5 to 10%. 3M India, good company, 5% down. You can check the chart and make a good investment decision. JRAC, Garden Rich Shipyard, good result, good news, but 7% down along with their peers. BEML 10% down, another PSU. So these are the very good companies for long run. Currently profit booking is going on, so it should be in your radar, and when time comes, it should be in your portfolio in the lower price. Energy Mineral, main company, big company, Reliance, marginally 1.85 down. Coal India 3.17 down. ONGC up almost 4.5. IOC 1.78 down. BPCL 1.91 down. Hind Petro 3.5 down. MRPL 11% down. And Chennai Petro is 2.20. It hit the upper circuit, but next day it down by 15%. So all over in weekly it is minus 2.20. That's for Energy Mineral. Consumer non-durable, the FMCG part, Hindustan Unilever 4.84 up. ITC, major leader in this space, 3.47 up. Nestle India marginally down to 0.27, negligible. Varun Beverage minus 2.34. It is having a good news for PepsiCo have allotted the permission to sell the product in Zimbabwe, Britannia 1.69 up, Tata Consumer Product 4.67 up, Marico 3.15, Colgate Palmolive 3.84, Page Industry, good company, high valuation 2.85, Gillette 3.45, Godfrey Philip should be in your radar, good result 1.65, and BBTC, that Bombay Burma Trading, is 8% down last week. Another consumer durable, especially on the motor vehicle side, Maruti marginal down 0.76% minus, Tata Motors 3.5% down, Tata Motor DVR 2% down, M&M 2.22 up, Hero Motocorp 1.92 down, MRF 1.90, TVS Motor is the highest laggard 3% down, Olectra Greentech, the vehicle electric vehicle industry 4.64 down, and Apollo Tire marginally down, MRF we discussed, Titan marginally down 0.2 minus. Let's talk about process industries. Asian Paint, big market player, 0.261 down. The solar industry 12% down. It should be in your radar. It's a good company actually, and a lot of potential. There is a profit booking going on here. 12% down. Pidilite marginally down 0.84. Linde India 7% down last week. UPL 3.18. Berger Paint, the paint sector 0.24 minus. PI Industry 0.85 minus. Godrej Industry minus 3.13. Kansai Nerolac, another paint company, minus 3.12. Grindwell Noto minus 5. That's a big laggard. And other important company in this sector, Navin Floor Mill minus 2.78. Ether, that is electric vehicle, minus 2.75. And Coromandel International 0.34 minus down. Adani Wilmar 6% down. So that's the process industries. On the utility part, basically the power supply, power distribution company, NTPC is down by 3.77, Power Grid almost same 3.09, Adani Power 3.75, all 3.53 kind of down. Adani Green minus 1.69, GAIL, the Gas Authority Limited, minus 4.33, Tata Power is the major laggard in the space, minus 6.26. SGBN, it's highly valued now, without having much return on equity, return on investment, or CAGR. Those are not good, but market appreciated this share too much. Now I think profit booking is happening, minus 7 down. CSC, Calcutta Electric Supply, minus 13% down. Good company in this space, but down by 13%. NHPC 8% down, and Swan Energy, another company, minus 6% down. So these are the power generation sector. Communication power, Bharti, the market leader, 1.37% up. Tata Communication, laggard, minus 4.55. ITI, minus 5.88. TTML, this company, it's Tata Teleservice. It is up by almost 36%. Wow, that's a good percentage. Route Mobile, minus 7.2. Railtel, minus 1. And Vodafone Idea, minus 5.31. That also a very downfall. Electronic technology side, basically the defense stock, HL 13% down, almost 14%, having a major profit booking now before this budget. Bharat Electrical, another very good PSU stock, 9% down. Bharat Dynamics Limited, 12% down. Power India, 13% down. Honeywell, 7% down. Tejas Net only up by 2%. Data Pattern, good company, 8% down. Apar Industry, 7% down. Dixon, all the consumer product, LED, TV, phone, etc., all the good companies having the partner with Dixon, 10.86, almost 11% down. This sector should be in your focus next week. Wherever there's a possible chance, get into the shares. It's in the correct downfall now, and should be in your portfolio when the right time comes. On the industrial service, market leader L&T marginally down 0.3, negligible. RVNL 2.27 with a good amount of order and MOU with Israel. It should be in your radar. I have a video for this also. JSW Infra, major laggard 9% down. Ircon, PSU 1.68. Engineering India 10% down after a good run. IRB 2.21. LTTS, LT Group Company 2.79% down. So that's for industry service, and all the sector happened in the last week. Now let's look ahead to the upcoming quarterly result expected next week. So coming week there will be a very good result window along with the budget. So budget is one factor, and these companies which we are going to talk about having result in next week. Due to their result also we may see a momentum on this stock. So let's see on 22nd of July, that is Monday, which all companies are releasing their result. Coforge, Digi Content, Greenlam Industry, IDBI Bank, IOB, another bank, Maharashtra Scooter, MRPL, Supreme Industry, Spencer's, Suzlon. UCO Bank, Bardhaman Textile, Gensat Tech. So these are the key companies in this list. Will be producing the result on 22nd. On 23rd, we have Bajaj Finance, DCM Srinam, Heritage Food, Hindustan Unilever, big company, ICICI Pru Life, we have Parak Milk, Scaffler, Kajaria Ceramic, Thyrocare, Torrent Pharma, and SRF. 24th, we have Axis Bank, Bajaj Finserv, Bajaj Holding, Butterfly Gandhimati, CG Power, Craftsman, DCB Bank, Federal Bank, HFCL, IEX, IGL, Jindal Steel, JK Paper, KPIT Tech, Karnataka Bank, Oracle Finance. We have Power India result, RK Forge, SBI Life on 24th. 25th, we have Adani Green, Ashok Leyland, AU Bank, Canada Bank, Chalet Hotel, Chennai Petro, Scient, DLF. We have IGPL, we have Jyoti Lab. 25th, we have Laurus Lab, another good company on medicines, LT Foods, Motilal Oswal Financial Service, Nestle India, Consumer Goods, Emphasis from IT, PNB Housing, Proj Industry. We will have Ramco Cement, IT Tech Mahindra on 25th, UBL, UTIMC, Venus Pipe and Vesuvius Industry. Last day of the week, 26th of July, we'll have result for Aarti Drugs, Apcotex Industry, Chola Finance, Cipla, Major Medicine, CUB, the bank, Equitas Bank, Indigo, IndusInd Bank, Intellect. We will have result for KFintech, Power Grid will produce the result 26, Quick Heal Software, Saint Gobain, Sanofi Medicine, Shriram Finance, and TTK Prestige. These are the results gonna happen next week. Should be in your radar. Today one news came for Geo Finance. Actually it is for a rating where Care and CRISIL has rated Geo Finance services with a good rating, and these are the rating for it. So Care says it's stable, A+, CRISIL also says A+, and AAA stable. So that's a good news for Geo Finance. That's all for today's market update. Remember to stay informed and make well-researched decision on your investment. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe to our channel for more updates. Thank you for watching, and we will see you again in next video.